Hello, in front of me I've got REALME C35. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to security. Enter screen lock, confirm, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of passwords: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with the top of the list. So let's select none. Now let's go to swipe. Now let's select pin. Password. And in the end, pattern. Once it's done, we can set up fingerprint unlock. And our fingerprint sensor is right here on the side of the phone. Simply tap it multiple times. And let's use it to unlock the phone. Last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Let's enter it, confirm, and simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.